Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal, Reverend Father Joby, Vice Principals, Reverend Father Noel and Reverend Father Jito, Brother Chandu, sisters, teachers, uncles, aunties, and my dear friends. We, the enthusiastic young minds of Class 9A, are here to present today's assembly. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever experienced a small act of kindness that made your whole day feel better? Maybe someone smiled at you when you were feeling low, or helped you to carry your books without being asked, or you had someone bring in a smile on their face that warmed your heart. All such beautiful instances make us feel the beauty of kindness. These may not be acts demanding huge efforts, but the difference that it creates is invaluable. Kindness is contagious. Be a carrier and promote small acts of kindness and empathy in your lives. Before delving into this topic, let us start this blessed day with a prayer. Now, I invite our school choir group to lead us with a prayer song. From the letter of St. Paul to Colossians, chapter 3, verses 12 to 13. Therefore, as God's chosen people, holy and dearly loved, clothe yourself with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgives you. This is the word.
Every thought are the joint words which inspire us. So to inspire us today with the thought, here comes Hanish.
No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. I repeat, no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted.
Kindness is contagious. Be a carrier. Think about it. How do you feel when a person helps you without being asked, or when simply smiles at you? These moments, though small, have a deep impact. They brighten our day. They reminded us we are not alone. And most importantly, they make us want to pass on the kindness.
That's what we mean by kindness is contagious. It spreads from one person to another like a ripple in a pond. Empathy is the heart of kindness. When we understand how someone else feels, we treat them better. We stop judging. We start caring. Let us make our school, our community, and our world a little warmer, a little brighter, one kind act at a time.
So today, we ask each of you, be the reason someone believes in the goodness of people. Be the reason someone smiles today. Be a carrier of kindness. Because when you spread kindness, you never know whose life you're changing. And maybe it will be your own.
Now, get ready to enjoy a lively dance performance. I invite my friends for the dance performance. For a wonderful performance.
Kindness is an emotion that goes beyond the fences of mistrust, doubtfulness, and selfishness created by human beings. In this chaotic world of ours, kindness is a shower of blessings to both the giver and the receiver. Every time someone is being kind, a little amount of goodness gets poured into this world. And remember what Henry James once told, that the three things in human life are important. The first one is to be kind, the second is to be kind, and the third is also to be kind. May many more acts of kindness continue to restore our faith in humanity. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Ma'am Bindu to address the gathering.
A simple act of kindness can change someone's life. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, vice principals, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear children. I take this opportunity to congratulate the students of Class 9A and the class teacher, Ma'am Shima, for this beautiful assembly. So let us give them a big round of applause. Kindness matters. A simple act of kindness can change, brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of compassion and empathy. Be the reason someone smiles today. Hold the doors for someone, offer a helping hand, or just listen to a friend it. Your small acts of kindness can make a big differences in someone's life. So students, kindness wherever you go and inspire others to do the same. Thank you and have a nice day.
Even the dewdrops of this morning are shining brighter today. Maybe the pleasantest morning since we embarked our journey this academic year. For the people who know and the ones who don't, St. Francis School Vadakesheri conducted the CISE Zona Level Sports Events Crown Conquest 2025, and a big congrats to our principal, vice principal, and the whole management for successfully conducting this grand event. Let's give them a big round of applause. Adding a feather to our cap, our students gave us a reason to boast with this crowning achievement by giving St. Francis the title of the overall champions. Now, I would like to invite Ma'am Nikia and Ma'am Jospina to call out the names of our talented champions.
We are happy to announce that our Navya U of class 2nd B has secured first prize in the state level abacus exam 2024. I request our vice principal, Father Savitya U of class 6 secured first prize in roller skating inline 500 meter and 1000 meters held at Christ Vidyanikedhan on 26/6/2025. I request Father Tito to come forward and award the winner. Congratulations to all the prize winners. Thank you, fathers. Good morning, everyone. We are proud and delighted to celebrate our glorious victory in winning the overall championship in Crown Conquest 25, the Kerala Region Zone E Sports Meet held on 28 June 2025 in our school.
It's a moment of great honor and joy for our school. This victory reflects the result of our students as well as their methods, hard work, discipline, and true sportsmanship. Let's welcome our heroes and heroines who made this achievement a remarkable one with a big round of applause. Tanya Jyoti Thomas.
along with them to make that day a great success. All the teachers, nonetheless, everyone together, led by our vice principals, Father Noel and Father Jito, along with all our non-teaching staff, did a wonderful job because, of course, I did not come this side. I was sick, even now also I am sick. I cannot speak much. Doctors told me to take a rest for throat. But still, fathers, sisters, brother, all the teachers, with the non-teaching staff, did a wonderful organization and meticulous arrangement to every detail. I think a big round of applause goes to them. Let us congratulate and thank them too. Thank you, fathers, sisters, and teachers. Along with these students, I just want to welcome all the anchors and all the participants of the opening and the closing ceremony. Anybody here? All are here? Yeah, please join here. All those who are there for the opening and closing ceremony, for the programs, anchoring for the program. Please join. These dancers, on the spot dancers, wonderful. Commentators. Okay, only this many were there for the program that day. Okay, good. So they also did their part. Yeah, the choir, yes, please join. Who all were there? Choir. Did you all come that day? Who all came that day? Choir? Yes, please join. Yeah, so it was a time, it's a holiday, but still they spent their time here for the program. Volunteers also, I hear. Volunteers, all volunteers who all came, stood, helped as volunteers. I think fathers, I would like to get all their names also along with the programs. Yeah. So, good. So it is all a kind of a teamwork that has happened, and to all of them who have extended their generosity and a helping hand with regard to the organization of the program and volunteering and the celebration of the program, anchoring, etc. Let's give them also a big round of applause. Other than all these students who all from you all came that day on Saturday. Anybody came? Nobody came. Only one. Raise your hands, anybody else who were there? Only three of you. Okay. Still we had a great crowd that day. Only this many were here. Good. Suppose if everyone was there, that would have been a big problem. Anyway, wonderful. Dear students, it was a great time because there were students from 13 other schools. And of course, when our students also participated, they understood how it meant to compete with other schools, with other vision, and with other sportsmen. And
The odds of the game just don't matter. It is about making your journey seem seamless, correcting your mistakes, and cherishing your own victories with gratitude. A heart welcome thanks to our sports team for putting a start to our winning streak this academic year.
Pledge is a way to show respect to the nation. I invite you for the pledge and thereafter the school choir for the national anthem.
and proud